Hi everybody, I'm MomDas and I welcome you all to MomDas Life Handmade. Today I'm participating in Clean Closet Challenge Fall 2018, hosted by Heidi Sonboul and Jessica of Casa Magnolia. They are both wonderful YouTubers, they are both wonderful DIYers, so must visit their channels. I'll put link to both the channels and to the playlist created by them. And they host this Clean Closet Challenge every season. And I'm participating in a Clean Closet Challenge for the first time. Clean Closet. Well, truth is so easy and simple to show, but so hard to face. I think the living room, the dining room, the kitchen and the powder room are the rooms that are decorated very quickly as soon as one moves into an apartment. But the bedroom is the most neglected part because less people tend to move into your bedroom, and so you hide many clutters there. So in my bedroom I have this corner which can be a very good working space because it has got shelves and cupboards and table, but it is cluttered because medicines and books and things that we don't know where else to keep are kept here because this corner is least used at the moment. Have a look. Did I scare you? Happy Halloween. Well, I desperately need to clean this place, declutter it, organize it, make it look beautiful, make it functional working space. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing by hitting the red subscribe button given below the video or by hitting the icon given in the bottom right corner of the video, and hit the notification bell so that you're notified each time I post a video. So let's just begin. No. Let me begin. Watch me begin. Let's just get started. This is the corner in the house which needs to be done. I can show you it has shelves with things which we just found and don't know where to keep them. They are here. There are books that we don't keep on the bookshelf, but they are very important books, so they are in the bedroom. And then there are some gadgets, some medicines. Luckily we did not need many medicines, so the medicines are lying here in the box, yet to be taken out and kept somewhere proper. So this is the area that I need to use because this has a folding shelf, as you see this. I need to clean this paint marks that have come from painting of the walls, and then I need to add something on this strips which are not so clean. They are like painted or varnished, and some places there is no paint or varnish at all. So I need to add some paint or add some strips of paper or something in this corner. I just finished cleaning up this. You can see I've taken off all the extra paint marks that were there from the painting of the walls. Here on the side also you can see I've taken out all the paint marks. Even the shelves have started to look brighter because of all the dust and paint stains that were there have been removed. So this is how this place looks after 2 coats of paint on the borders. The black borders are gone and the place has brightened up a bit. I needed some contact paper or wallpaper in sunny, bright, happy and earthy colors. I didn't have it and so I just made it. I just used some felt pens and I painted some leaves and florals and patterns over a white paper, cut it to size and used it. I just removed the existing knob from the cupboard. And then I pasted my own design paper on the face of the cupboard. And placed back the knob in place. It looks so gorgeous now. This is an interesting fact. Once you declutter and organize a space, there is always more space created. And I found space not only to keep back all my necessary things, but also to add some touches of decor pieces in this area. And I decorated as well as utilized the whole space, and I love how this whole thing turned out. Let me show you what I kept where. So I've kept those unusual looking trees, woven trees on the top, and to add life, a plant. My books have come back to this corner, but they are very organized and even got a place to keep a decorative item. My craft supplies and my brushes, colors. I needed a calendar which was very much required. Some of the gadgets are here and I love how this thing has turned out. It's just beautiful. And see, this is the medicine box, and instead of label I've just drawn the ingredients so it's easy for anybody. The bandage and all our the hot water bag, the neck collars and bags, medicines, all have come very neatly in this space, and I'm happy how it turned out. It has turned out very beautiful. This is the folding shelf which can be a working table for me. I've cleaned it and it has become so good now. Though I have more plans for this area, but for now I can start using it and it's very functional. I'm very happy with the whole project, how it turned out to be. Thanks for watching. Do come back for more. Please consider subscribing, like, share and comment on this video. Thank you.